Hi guys, I'm here to tell you how to use your satellite system if you've had satellite TV installed through us at the factory. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, you need to set up your TV. So follow my instructions on my other YouTube link as to how to set up the TV. Just making sure that you've got your cable going into the yellow port there and into the yellow port there under the TV. That's what's going to bring the signal from the satellite box system through to the TV. Alright, so let's just go back down up in one of the overhead cupboards. It'll vary depending on the model and the layout of the Caravan. So in this Caravan, this is where your satellite system all is. And if we have a look here, we've got this little black box here. Now please note, we don't actually fit any of these at the factory, as in secure them inside the cupboard. We leave them like that so that if you want to mix and match, put some shelves, whatever you might want to do, they're free to be able to be moved. So this one here, this is the selector. You need to have it selected to B. It says A and B on these two buttons here. A is if you want to play a DVD through your stereo, and B is if you want to use the satellite TV coming from the satellite. Now if we just have a look around up in through this hatch, in this one we can see that satellite quite clearly. Now what you have to do to get that thing to position into how it needs to be, within this whole system here, you need to use the remote that says SatKing on it, and you need to use the power button to get it so that that little red power light comes on what we call the VAST box. So this is the VAST box. Now that VAST box needs to be registered through VAST, so that what it does, it allows you to have access to their satellites. So you just need to fill in your details, read this first information, and there's user manuals and whatnot in there. But I'll just do a quick run through. So you have it turned on at that point there. You then, on this big circular SatKing box, you press the power button. It will do this for a little while. It'll initialize, it'll, make movements, make a few noises up on the roof. If we have a look up there now, we can see it's moving. It's going to try and find a satellite. What it'll do, it'll automatically select and find that satellite, and it'll eventually stop. Once it stops, it'll come up on this screen again that satellite is located. Once that's done, it's pretty simple. All you've got to do is make sure that your TV is onto with your input button. You need to make sure that this AV is selected. So once I come to this, and once that satellite finds its positioning, it'll send through the information straight to your TV and you're ready to go. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.